I got zeroed out my membrane, you keep calling me insane. Every single day more XRP is what I obtain. No more cash, no more cars, only QR codes. No more proof of work, we running validated nodes. This is the life that I chose. They look at the cons, I look at the pros. I'm always bullish in the shows. Now you wanna ask about XRP, I am not telling. Now you want some of my XRP, I am not selling, it's not for sale. Honestly, I just wish you well, cause I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. XRP taking the lead, come equipped with institutional speed. XRP giving the go to proceed, don't listen to FUD, I know they mislead. Try to tell them but I know they don't care. HoDL, no nothing compared. Back in the day I was willing to share, now I don't have any left to spare. Saw some liquidity on demand, try to tell them but they don't understand. Holding my ledger right here in my hand, see the signs it was already planned. Digital economy, it's already here. I'm talking about the moon, they think I majored in astrology. Haters talking trash, I think they majored in garbology. Focus on my future, so I invest in technology. Number one is where we ranking.
Come on.
And if you don't have XRP, then I do not know what you thinking. This the time, this the year, this the place to be. HoDL strong all day long, doing it faithfully. Keep that negative energy far away from me. It's not our fault that we seeing something that you can't see. I got my hands on some on-demand liquidity, and I'ma hold on to it now into infinity. This the greatest wealth transfer the world will ever see. But I'm not talking, I'm about to go buy me more XRP, cause I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well,
For well.
I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? Can't you tell?
Boom. Boom, bro. What's up, Rye? Rye guy, bro. How have you been, man? How have you been, bro? There we go. There we go. Man, what have you been up to, man? What have you been up to? It's been a while. Haven't done one of these live streams in a while. I had a big tournament yesterday. First place was $108,000. Second place was like, I think 50, 60,000. Actually, wait, let me look. Yeah. So first place was 108,000. Second was 78,000. Third place was 57,000. Fourth place was $42,000. Fifth place was 30,000. Sixth was 22,000. Seventh was 16,000. Eighth place was 12,000. Ninth was 8,000. And 10th was 6,300. It paid all the way to 1,400 places, 1,800 places. There were 19,000 people in the tournament. I got knocked out in 1,200th place out of 20,000, so I only made a couple $100, but I was really hoping to at least top 20 this thing and make a few thousand, because even 33rd place got $2,200. But my third hand, I got knocked out, unfortunately. But I played day 1 3 weeks ago, and I made day 2 with 700,000 in chips, which was 25 big blinds, which was pretty good. So yeah, unfortunately got knocked out. But anyway, today, Monday, live stream, I wanted to get back in the saddle for you guys. For anyone that's watching, Jaded Blur, is live today. And we are going to look at some stuff. A lot of people are talking about liquidity, what's going on in the markets, Bitcoin. Let's see, Bitcoin went up to, I hit 70,000 even. It hit 70,000 even. Let's see, on the 22nd of July, it went up to 68.5, then retraced to the 50 EMA at 63.4, and then went and passed its local high and made a higher high at 70,000. So I wonder what's going to happen, because if Bitcoin relaxes or starts to retrace, we are possibly going to see a crazy altcoin market. And that's what I'm looking for. I'm holding my XRP. I'm HoDLing. Definitely got a lot of XRP just waiting. I got 1 million OMI tokens chilling. Oh, and I put up a green screen. I put up a green screen to change things up a little bit. All right. See what's going on in the crypto world. Extravod, he's been saying, oh my God, XRP, now, now, now. 3 days until moon. He's been saying that for like 6 years. Don't ever run from a police dog. Where's all my crypto stuff? Oh, DIY. I wonder what he's saying. 3 days ago, altcoin super cycle.
Hello, everybody, and long term. Links are in the description. Even though we had this approval, even though we've seen all of this new money, but I want you guys to be aware of the fact that even though this is pulling back, Bitcoin saw the exact same thing happen when its ETF went live. We can see the ETF went live for Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin pulled back about 20% before we ended up bottoming. About 21.5% before we bottomed. But the big thing to be aware of is this is what happened shortly after we ended up bottoming and reversing out of that. So what we noticed is the Ethereum ETF and the Bitcoin ETF both followed a similar event where once that approval went live, once it started trading, Grayscale liquidated a number of their Bitcoin or Ethereum holdings, and they used that kind of as new liquidity to exit some of their position. It's nothing to be scared of because of the fact they're still holding the vast majority of their position. They wanted to just use that opportunity as a time to take a little bit of profit and use that as that new liquidity entered the market, because we've seen a number of new institutions add support for the Ethereum ETF. We saw the same thing happen with Bitcoin, and now I think that this is going to be the time where we're most likely going to start reversing from here. If we're coming over here and taking a look at Bitcoin, we're going to go to a daily time frame, and we're just going to see that Bitcoin is actually retesting this prior lower high, seeing Ethereum pulling back right actually a scale trust, but I don't think that that's something to be. We ended up actually making a lower high. Actually speculate on these type of investments, whether it's ETH, whether it's Bitcoin, or even the stock market. It doesn't so much matter. When we're seeing that these charts are going to be breaking out against the M1 money supply, it shows that there's going to be a lot more retail involvement than ever before. And I really think that all of this is reflecting of this pattern. We can see that with us having this big impulse from our last cycle was only a wave 1. And we're getting ready for a wave 3. I really do think that Ethereum is going to be making a much bigger move into price discovery than many people expect. You know, obviously our next bear market will be inside of this wave 4, but we're looking at Ethereum having a much bigger move in comparison to Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin, yes, it's had this long-term consolidation pattern, but Bitcoin's kind of already been around for a long time. I'm anticipating that this cycle is going to be a lot more dominated by altcoins because of the fact we're going to see a lot more of that retail money consolidating into the altcoin markets like they've always done. You know, in our last cycle, we didn't have the retail involvement, and we can see that indicated by the M1 resistance. We made a lower high at all of our peaks, whether it was 14K, 65K, or 69K. Each one of these peaks ended up peaking at the same resistance level. However, when we're taking a look at Ethereum, Ethereum almost managed to come all the way back up into a new all-time high. However, we still didn't do that. At the top, when Ethereum was peaking at around 4,000, that was still a lower high from the peak of 2018. And when we peaked over here at like 4,500, that was also a lower high versus our peak that we saw at 2018 or 2017, depending on how you're looking at that. But when we're taking the time to zoom out here, we are getting closer and closer to the point of us breaking out of that resistance. I don't think that we're going to be dropping lower as it stands right now. I think that we are about to make that big push. And the next push is going to be in price discovery for Ethereum against the M1, in the same way that it's going to be into price discovery for Bitcoin against the M1. When we take the time to zoom out, all of our charts, our major indices, are sitting on top of major support. They have reclaimed prior resistance levels, and they are now sitting on them as support, giving everybody an opportunity to jump back into new positions, accumulate some of these rock bottom discounts that we're seeing, because there's a number of altcoins sitting on major support levels, looking very bullish. Some of my favorites I've talked about on this channel are looking really good right now. And when we're looking at every one of our indexes, they're also kind of lining up with this just being a retest before we start that next big breakout. So guys, once again, even though we're seeing a pullback in Ethereum, even though Grayscale has liquidated some of their holdings, remember that Bitcoin saw the exact same thing take place over in here. When that ETF went live, we saw a 21% pullback. And in my opinion, the pullback that we're going to be seeing right here is already over, and this is where we kind of want to be getting into the position. So I wanted to give you guys this update. I know I've missed a few days. I have been out, down and out, and in pain. Not really, but I have been out, had the hernia, and so that's all kind of squared away. Expecting that, sometime around the 8th of next month, I will have a few days missing, maybe 5 days off. I don't know exactly how bad the surgery is going to be. I just have to play it by ear. However, guys, I wanted to give you the update because now we're seeing so much new development. The ETFs have finally started trading. That was something that we've been waiting for, wondering when that was actually going to go live. And now with that, we have an opportunity to jump into new positions. So I wanted to make sure that you were aware that I am bullish. I do firmly believe that we're going to be reversing off of this level. And now comes the time where we're really going to be excited to see Bitcoin breaking out, Ethereum breaking out, all of these heading into price discovery and making our first true big alt season of this cycle. So guys, if you did find value in this video, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. If you do want to see anything I'm investing in, buying anything inside of this dip, links are in the description to go ahead and sign up on my website. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And I'm looking forward to the next move because I got a lot of confidence that it's going to be a big one. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Whoa, he just told me he loved me. Relax, bro. All right, what else do we have here? What else? Trader's Reality. That guy knows nothing about crypto. What is Nodi talking about? XLM XRP news.
Okay, I'm not going to wait crypto. And basically, Gary Gensler has been stopping them. So inflation and lower interest rates, what do you think happens to the dollar relative? This is the dollar relative strength. Well, it's obviously going to drop because that's kind of impossible to see. But what it really means is ultimate government and for crypto, because the biggest blocker that we have to this massive amount of money, that wants to flow. I'm not saying this hope, because Gary Gensler has been utility that they're going to bring, especially things like Stellar and our utility coins are going to finally boom. So this is amazing to see, and I'm very interested, and this has confirmed kind of my buy.
Welcome back. Well, because in regards to trying to pinpoint and do it based on that, the only thing I would ever suggest is saying you should have some XRP, and I would also recommend not completely selling every single piece of XRP you have. Like personally, and I'll sit here right now and tell people my sell strategy for XRP is 10% at 3, 15 at 8, 15.
Ripple has friends.
Yes, it does.
But it's not, the product needs to be the product needs to be more than your friends, right? Bro,
Absolutely.
if me and you are just friends, but we never do a podcast or I never get to meet you someday and hang out, I mean, are we really friends or are we just like acquaintances? You know?
Yeah.
So I think there's like a volatile nature to the what's keeping the belief in the XRP community. And that's why recently, since I think what Solana's done and what we saw happen with Pepe and a lot of these other meme coins, that was the final nail in the coffin to just get a lot of those people to capitulate, as you mentioned earlier, even some influencers to be like, oh, fuck this coin. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
But isn't it funny that back over here in March and April of 2021, we watched Bitcoin maxi channels convert to XRP people like
Mhm.
literally in a week?
Yeah.
Like fucking paid shills. Like
Yeah.
they'll just do whatever it is for the cultural moment, and that's sickening, you know? So there's some to be said about this, but for me to entertain this move for XRP, this secondary spike, as you mentioned, it's totally in the cards, brother. But I need to see the big conversation. What's the fucking market cap with an $80 XRP or 100? What are we talking about here? What's
Yeah.
going
And
on? Bro,
and
if we
and
have an
and
$80 XRP, then your grocery prices are going to be devastating. The Bitcoin did it, so why can't XRP do it? That shit, which I'm fine with, but it's like we're not talking about the same environment, you know? Back
yeah.
then, this was the only, I'll say it, this was the only shit coin
Yeah.
until it got a lot of belief and it did something miraculous. And the history is shown in the chart, and you can't deny that.
So
So,
this is
what's fascinating
2012,
about
correct?
Bitcoin?
This is 2012.
Yeah, this is the
Okay.
peak of 2011.
Yeah.
This is the peak of 2011. So, if we went back right here, okay, look at where Bitcoin was. It was at like 50 cent, 50 to, yeah, I think it dipped. Okay, 70 cents, bro. XRP isn't even at 70 cents right now when we record this. This
Mhm.
shit went straight to $30. Then it corrected down to $2. And then it took a minute, but it got all the way up. Wait, sorry, that doesn't make any sense. Sorry, 30. Yeah, exactly, 32. And then when it broke out into this peak, it made it to 260. So, but that took some time and that had a lot of volatility along the way, you know, like when it broke into price discovery here and it got this $30 mark, which we can equate it today to like a $25 XRP just for fun. And then if it was to peel back all the way to two again, bro, like a lot of people wouldn't expect that if they're believing that we're going to have this surge immediately following, like we did back in this example, where it was
Mhm.
only 200 days apart. This was
Glenn Miller, what is up, bro? How you been, man? Listening at work? Nice, bro. Let me hit the play button.
not 200 fucking days apart. Okay. This was a long time. This would be like you're at 25, you dropped to two, which is a 90 something percent correction. And then off of that, it took you another almost 2 years to get back into the next cycle. So this was 450 days to return back to the $25 XRP. You might as well have just sold it all, right? So if we're gonna think that
Yeah.
XRP can copy Bitcoin, and that's the belief system here that makes us imagine a three-digit XRP in the future, or an $80 or a $70 or whatever, if it happens this soon, I'm just letting you know if it happens this soon, and this kind of gives you my take on it. Again, I'm not like a fucking crystal ball. I'm not claiming to be a prophet or anything. This isn't remote viewing. I'm just using my gut right now, and I'm being a real one. If we get $70 plus XRP in this cycle sometime before 2026, then I think something happened in the world that like we're not going to be happy about. But if it was to happen in the next cycle, something like this, where it makes it to 25 this cycle, and then we have a consolidation period, we deeper correction, shake out some weak hands, more things develop on the world stage, and then we start peaking into the following cycle after some time, and it really builds some fucking support instead of doing what it always does, which is just crashes right back down into the sub 50 cent range, then I would be like, okay, this isn't that bad. But I would really feel like there would need to be an event. And this is where you come in, right? Because I just watched your last video too, and you were sharing some of your own thoughts, which I do not discredit. I do not, I think you have a lot of awesome ideas too to share. And I'll wrap up my thought for you to speak your part on this. And it's if we were to get that 50, 60, 70 plus dollar XRP this soon, before 2026, I think it would have to be event driven, and it's not a good event. Like I'm talking about some Hunger Games shit, you know?
Yeah,
Like
yeah. They have to kill him. They have to kill him, or at least
Rand dies in this helicopter crash.
is the reason. But
My target for the S&P is 5,800 points. Be any different this time? Came in immediately. There would be no.
All right, let's change it up a little bit. Let's change it up a little bit. Let me get into my subscriptions here. Jangling Crypto. What does he know? Let's see. 3 days ago.
A lot of people are concerned, and I'm sorry this time around. And the reason being, your BlackRocks, your Fidelities, they get their way. They get the big money. There's so much gains to be had. They're not going to want to sit here and dig into each and every little coin and know every aspect about it. They're going to want bundled products where they buy the top 20 coins or the top 10, smart contract coins. They'll have all sorts of bundled products in this manner. And there's going to be a ton of crypto trading within traditional markets here in the future. It's just going to continue to grow and build on itself. Welcome to the future. This is wild.
I think it's going all right. The volumes and the inflows are about 25% of what they were for Bitcoin. And of course, Ethereum, when you look at its market capitalization, is about a third of the size of Bitcoin in its crypto native form. So those numbers are kind of close to each other. It's a big lift for people, advisors, and distribution forces to understand the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum, why they should provide some diversification with respect to each other. Ethereum has a very different use case than Bitcoin. It's a very different kind of proposition to the token holder. So a lot of education work needs to get done. So I think that the day one looked very smooth. We look for billions to come into these ETFs in the next 12 months.
And you know what? It's only a matter of time before that ETF eventually, you don't get it day one, but eventually you're going to get staking rewards. And then that's going to be something that piques people's interest. They can invest in this Ethereum ETF and they're going to get monthly or quarterly rewards in more Ethereum. It's going to be wild. And this is going to continue on as you get new ETFs that go across the finish line. A lot of these staking cryptos, I think, are going to be very popular for that reason.
Now, according to Bitwise CIO Matt Hogan, spot Ether ETF inflows could push the price of Ether past $5,000. In a memo last week, Hogan said new highs for Ether won't happen immediately and warned that the first few weeks since launching could be, quote, choppy as money might flow out of the $11 billion Grayscale Ethereum trust after it converts to an ETF. He went on to forecast that Ether could hit new records by the end of this year. And according to recent Citi research, spot Ether ETFs could see net inflows of up to $5.4 billion in the first 6 months since launching. Do you agree with these projections? Do you think they're realistic? What do you think will happen?
Disclosure Crypto. Hey, what's up, bro? Could you look at Gary Network for me? Gary Network, huh? This place? Mr. Dangles, what up, bro? Gary Network. This place? Go Judge Torres.
To the price of Ether now, that's what ETFs are trading.
They're in the wild.
certainly been a hit, recently topping $17 billion in net inflows since their debut back in January. Do you think Ether ETFs will prove to be as...
All right, let's see what our buddy at All In Crypto has to say. Man, look at him go. I remember when he started. He got really good at making content. 5 days ago.
Today, ladies and gentlemen, you are in for a treat. We are going to be revealing our XRP price prediction for this bull market. Now, I'm not exactly sure how long this bull market is going to go on for. My best guess, based on a number of things, try not to break the mic here, is that it's going to end likely in 2025, perhaps towards the latter half of 2020.
Viel wie nix. Deswegen habe ich mal diese Darstellung gewählt, und zwar die Hoffnung der XRP-Besitzer, die sich in folgendem Bild ausdrückt. Und zwar hatten wir seinerzeit 14 bis 17 hier dieses Wedge, das sich zusammengepresst hat. Und wir hatten in einem ersten Ausbruch nach oben, sage und schreibe, 4.300% bis zu diesem Level. Und dann ist es ein bisschen zur Seite gegangen und hat einen weiteren Ausbruch gehabt. Und von hier unten bis hier oben waren das, sage und schreibe, 39.700%.
Nur auf die Betrachtung an.
Das sind zwei tolle Zahlen und das ist natürlich das, worauf die XRP-Gemeinde jetzt hofft, weil hier bildet sich ähnlich über Jahre jetzt schon wieder ein solches Wedge aus. Der Druck spitzt sich hier zu und beiden gehen in die Breite.
I agree, man. Look at that. Look at that. Now, that's enough of this. Let's take a look because I want to talk about it. Check this out. Check this out. Look at XRP. This is what I want to talk about. This is insane. Watch this. Watch this. Look at this. This is a 7-year bull flag. Look at this. We're easily talking $3.50 to $4 on the first pitch. This thing is so ready. Look at this. Look where we're at right now. This is the point at the bottom of this massive 6.5 to 7 year triangle. Absolutely insane. Here it is. All the way back here. 2017. Now let me show you something. Look at this. So here we are. Let's blow this little part up. This is XRP right here. This is XRP. I want you to see what this looked like before it blew up. Let's get that out of there. Look, we came from all the way down here at 1 penny, half a penny, jumped up to 7 cents. Boom. Easily. Half a penny to 7 cents. A quick 14x. Then we break down, right? Boom, we come all the way down 80% of the move. We come all the way from the 2nd of April 2017 to the 28th. So 26 days later, an explosion happened from 3 cents to 40 cents. And that took less than 3 weeks once that was ready. Okay? Then we went from 40 cents all the way down to 12 cents, to 29 cents, to 15 cents, 30 cents, 18 cents, so on, etc. 28 cents. Then we come all the way down to 19 cents. And then look at this. Look at this. On December 12th, 2017, we go from 24 cents to $3.32. And that was January, the first week of January 2018. So it took from half a penny let me blow this up real quick. Half a penny, right? Like March 2017. 9 months later, from half a penny, 9 months later, $3.31. 9 months. Then we go and we do exactly what happens right here, except on a longer time frame. All the way to here. Boom. Then we get the retest, the SEC BS. We go to about $2, right? Everybody remembers that back in April of 2021. Everything else went bananas and crazy, but we stayed at $2 and then we came all the way back down. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, we are once again from there. We have did the same move from $3 to here, from 40 cents to here before this explosion. Now we did and now we are ready once again. And I think the market is absolutely ready for this. The time where it actually happens, where it's all coming together, where the global, I would say, use case of XRP, of all of the banks, the people, everything that's being tokenized now on the XRP ledger, in the XRP ledger itself, moving money, moving Bitcoin, moving money, fat 3 seconds or less settlement. In order for this to do very well, because they want to use this, everybody's with Ripple, okay? Every big name you could think of. Hold on, I have to take this. Rusty Nuts, what is up, bro? Yo, give me 1 second. I'm on the phone. Sorry, guys. So Saudi. So, man, listen. Here we are at 60 cents. We're right here. We went up. What did we just hit? We just hit 60, like 1 cents. Look at XRP, man. We shot up. We go sideways for a while. We shoot up. We go sideways for a while. We shoot up. We go sideways for a while. We shoot up. We go sideways for a while. And we've been doing this for 6.5 to 7 years. The explosion is upon us. And when it happens, and listen, anyone who doubts any of this, and this is not financial information because I don't give financial advice, but what I do, what I know about XRP and Ripple is the history, the people involved. When you have former treasurers of the United States on the board of Ripple, when you have former CEOs of major banks working for Ripple, when you have former IMF working for Ripple, or people from Ripple now working in those big places, it is because something big is about to happen. This is global. XRP is global. XRP is huge in Japan. XRP is huge in the Middle East. It's huge in England. It's huge in the United States. And it's about to be bigger. It's about to be massive. And there are so many things unsaid because it's so big. And all the big names are just keeping it on the down low until they break out with it. But I guarantee everything else going on is just a diversion because of XRP and how big it is, how big Ripple is. And the secret sauce of XRP has to go up in price in order to facilitate moving the massive amounts of trillions and trillions and trillions of capital and dollars around the world of value. Yeah, WatsPay is going crazy. I wish I held the 100,000 I had a long time ago. Oh, it just went down. It went up to like 5 cents, but now it's down to like 3.5 cents. I think ABC correction. Okay, there it is. Boom. Let me put this on a weekly just to take a look at it. Yeah, WatsPay. Wow, it went all the way down. Wow, WatsPay invalidated. It invalidated on the 16th of June of the move that happened on the 29th of April. The 16th of June invalidated that monster move. It's just been moving sideways now. However, it was up to 70 cents. WatsPay was 70 cents like November 21. Then it went up to, on April 4th, 2022, it went up to 37 cents. I wish I still held it when it went down to half a penny. But right now it's at 3 cents 7. Right now, it's just moving sideways on the 50 EMA. I wonder if it's gonna... I should buy some, but I don't know. I'd rather hold on to all this XRP. I got 1 million OMI, 1 million casino coin. I wanted to buy some P, but I don't know. I'm just going to hold on to all this XRP. Go Pacier, man. Appreciate you hanging out, bro. So everybody, man, listen. I've been waiting a long time, just like a lot of you guys. And I'm still holding. I'm still ready. Look at this 7-year flag. Look at this. It's coming to a point where it's do or die time. Let's take a look at the RSI real quick. Oh, hold on. Okay, where's the RSI? The RSI is at 61 and 66. RSI starts moving up, boom. 61, then it hits 65, and then boom. So yeah, we're right at the point where it could go boom. 61, yep. Come down, little retest. We're right there, man. We are right freaking there. I was thinking about buying more casino coin, honestly. Let's look it up real quick. Oh, let's look at something with a lot of views.
Hey friends, welcome to Stocks and Crypto Plays. I'm talking about Casino Coin. You're probably like, what the heck is that? Well, it's a token on the XRPL ledger. There's only certain tokens on the XRPL ledger. There's not a lot of them. So you have to think, well, which one do I want to buy? And the fact that it is on the XRPL makes it a winner. Just that alone makes it a winner. But this coin right now is being used by online casinos all over the place. It's regulated and that high, according to them, yes. And it's many fractions of a penny right now. So the potential for you to make massive income on this coin is strong. I personally own it, and I've been trying to encourage you to buy it so that you can make money. If you would have bought it when I said to buy it, you'd be up over 100% right now. Take a look at the chart right now. How much would you be up, right? So how do you buy it? That's the question. Well, you can see where it's so amazing because you can buy and swap coins. The question is, where did those major spikes come from and how did they get knocked back down so quickly? It's interesting to see. But anyway.
Let's look at something else.
Have a SoloGenic wallet, okay, which you could download as well. You can download the Solo Dex. That's another way. But an easy way is sologenic.org. You're going to swap XRP.
00041. That's a month ago. 00041. 00041. And now it's at 00015. And it's still holding right here on this move. So this move is still very strong to the upside. Because in order, like, you see this move right here. Right here. So this is a move. Boom. Now right here we come down, right here we come down, and we come down like 70-80% of the move we retraced. Now if we came all the way down here or here, we would invalidate this move. So this is still live. So this move to the upside, there's a lot of pressure waiting to be released to the upside. I think I'm going to buy some. John 1, what is up, man? I think I'm going to buy some more casino coin, man. I really do. Where's XRP at right now? Pretty much 60 cents. I think I'm gonna buy some casino coin, honestly. This Propy video is so good. I wish I had more money to invest.
Hey guys, welcome to Amazing Opportunity. It's called Casino Coin. I've been telling you for, I don't know, over a year probably to buy this. 100 million. News is you could swap it on right now, which is...
It's down to 000153 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what does this look like? Let's take a look at this. This is the daily. Do I think it's going to come down here again? Here's the formation. Man, this thing does want to go, I think. I think I want to hold 4. So that would be $600 to get another $612 to buy another 4 million. That's how much a bubbles cost on VV app. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. I really do. I think that's what I want to do. I think I want to get 4 more million casino coin. I want to have 5 million total. That's what I want. I had 10 million casino coin at one point, but... $600. Let's take a look at this. Oh, wrong one. Is it going to come down to $90 again per million, or is it just going to stay here at 150 per million? Man, what do I do? So I gotta close this gap. That'd be 650. I'd make 500. That'd be 3 grand. 6. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I feel like I just do it. Yeah, I'm just going to buy it. I'm going to buy 5 million casino coin. That's what I'm going to do. Continue hodling that XRP. We are so close, man. We are so close. Oh, so close. I appreciate you guys hanging out, man. I'm going to go get something to eat. I'm Jada Blur. Till next time, we'll put out some more videos. Later, guys.
I got zeroed out my membrane, you keep calling me insane. Every single day more XRP is what I obtain. No more cash, no more cars, only QR codes. No more proof of work, we running validated nodes. This is the life that I chose. They look at the cons, I look at the pros. I'm always bullish and it shows. Now you wanna ask about XRP, I am not telling. Now you want some of my XRP, I am not selling, it's not for sale. Honestly, I just wish you will, cause I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. XRP taking the lead, come equipped with institutional speed. XRP giving the go to proceed, don't listen to FUD, I know they mislead. Try to tell them but I know they don't care. HoDL, no nothing compared. Back in the day I was willing to share, now I don't have any left to spare. Source some liquidity on demand, try to tell them but they don't understand. Holding my ledger right here in my hand, see the signs it was already planned. Digital economy, it's already here. I'm talking about the moon, they think I majored in astrology. Haters talking trash, I think they majored in garbology. Focus on my future, so I invest in technology. Number one is where we ranking. Come on. And if you don't have XRP, then I do not know what you thinking. This the time, this the year, this the place to be. How strong all day long, doing it faithfully. Keep that negative energy far away from me. It's not our fault that we seeing something that you can't see. I got my hands on some on-demand liquidity, and I'ma hold on to it now into infinity. This the greatest wealth transfer the world will ever see. But I'm not talking, I'm about to go buy me more XRP, cause I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail.